Welcome back to the FlipNerd.com REI Classroom, where experts from across the real estate investing industry teach you quick lessons to take your business to the next level. And now, let's meet today's expert host.
Hello, FlipNerd fans. This is Dave Pelligrinelli, your host for this edition of the REI Classroom. Stand by for another great subject right after this break.
This show is sponsored by PassiveRental.com.
Okay, we're back. This is Dave Pelligrinelli from TitleSearch.com and AFX Research. Today we're going to talk about risk radar, using due diligence to defend yourself and your deals from having problems, expenses, costs, or something else that could really turn a good deal into a bad one. In the same way that a ship or an airplane or even the weather reporters use radar to project the future and to help guide them away from risks, you can use different types of due diligence to see upcoming risks, whether they're expenses, whether they're diversions from doing the deal. Kind of like the Titanic hit the iceberg. You want to see those things in advance so you can steer away from them. All the risks that are out there, title risks, repair risks, extra expenses, costs of doing the deal, can be seen in advance if you use different forms of what I call deal radar to keep you informed of what might be happening. Property inspections, great example. Seeing if that AC unit's going to blow up, seeing if the foundation is cracked, seeing if a paint problem is more than just paint, if there's mold behind the paint. Title research, lien analysis, even background on the seller, property history, permits. Those are all examples of radar that you can use to avoid risk on the deal. The advantages of avoiding those risks using this deal radar are multiple. First of all, it eliminates that expense that you might run into. More importantly, it gives you the confidence to go forward with deals, and you can be more ambitious with bidding on a property if you know you don't have to keep as many reserves because unknowns have been eliminated. You can be more ambitious, and that gives you an advantage over other bidders or other potential buyers. You can also be more confident compared to other buyers in going ahead with that deal. You might pull the trigger a little faster ahead of another potential competing investor. One example of this that we like to see in many cases is what's called lien mitigation. Even if you see a property that has a problem, like a lien, if you contact that lien holder in advance, you may be able to get a reduced amount to get that lien off the property. Knowing that in advance gives you some confidence that your cost is going to be less than maybe somebody else looking at it as face value. Another example is a repair on a property. If you know it needs a new AC unit and you work with an AC contractor, you might be able to get a firm bid or a firm quote for a lower amount in advance if you look at this in advance, not when you buy the property and now you have to spend full face value on that repair or that lien. So using risk radar to do some due diligence and perform that elimination of risk will help you lower the cost and give you more confidence on going ahead with deals. This is Dave Pelligrinelli again with a great episode of REI Classroom. Look for you on the next version.
PassiveRental.com is your source for turnkey, done-for-you rental properties. If you'd like to be an investor and not a landlord, please visit PassiveRental.com to learn how to purchase cash-flowing, professionally managed rental properties in the hottest rental markets across the country. We can also help connect you with financing for your next property. Invest the easy way today and get started by visiting PassiveRental.com. Please note, the views and opinions expressed by the individuals in this program do not necessarily reflect those of FlipNerd.com or any of its partners, advertisers, or affiliates. Please consult professionals before making any investment or tax decisions, as real estate investing can be risky. Are you a member yet of FlipNerd.com, the hottest real estate investing social community online? If not, you can join for free in less than 30 seconds and get access to hundreds of off-market deals, vendors in your market to help you in your business. And you can start networking with thousands of other investors just like you. Get your free account now at FlipNerd.com. Please check out the FlipNerd family of real estate investing shows, where you can access hundreds of expert interviews, quick tips, and lessons from leaders across the real estate investing industry. They're available at flipnerd.com/shows, or simply search for FlipNerd in the iTunes Store.